Hello adventurers, welcome back to another TMR Tours. Today we are looking at choice desserts all around Walt Disney World. So these are the favorite places we like to go when we're looking for a sweet treat. And if you enjoy them, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. First on the list, we're going to head over to Pandora inside Animal Kingdom, over to Satuli Canteen, the counter service eatery inside the new land, and we're going to take a look at the dessert, the blueberry cream cheese mousse. Now these look extremely interesting and elegant. They're almost like a little seed pod, but they are delicious. The passion fruit curd on top is extra sweet and kind of adds to the whole tangy sweet combination of this blueberry mousse. If you're a fan of chocolate mousse and or blueberries, give it a whirl. Heading over to the Asia section inside Animal Kingdom, we're going to go to Yak Yeti restaurant, where they feature some of the best desserts in all of Walt Disney World, in our opinion. The fried wontons are delicious. They're actually a cream cheese wonton with the honey vanilla drizzle, and they are warm, delectable, and amazing. The mango pie is definitely worth a try, as well as the pineapple upside down cake. One thing to say is the mango pie can also be purchased at the Yak Yeti counter service outside. Let's head over to Epcot to the Japan Pavilion to feature one of our favorite items Kabuki Cafe has to offer. It is a frequently overlooked counter service. So at this stand you can get Kakeguori, which is basically Japanese shaved ice, and you can get numerous varying flavors added to it. So if you're in the Japan area of World Showcase, take a look guys. This shaved ice is not to be missed, and for $4.50 it is a great value because it is easily shareable at that price. And it is a snack credit on your dining plan. Strolling along World Showcase by the International Gateway is the France Pavilion, where Artisan de Classe is. And that is a French ice cream parlor, which, since it's French ice cream, it is actually gelato. So it is much smoother, much richer, and denser than regular American ice cream. It is a snack credit on your dining plan, and these feature 16 artisan flavors. So guys, come check them out. They even have macaroons, and you can get single scoop or double scoop. The single scoop is only one available on the dining plan, but going for that double scoop is sometimes irresistible. So that is Artisan de Classe in the France Pavilion, and always remember, clean up your mess. Cast members don't need more work. Now on to Hollywood Studios, where 50's Primetime Cafe is located. Now this one might be a little under the radar because it is a sit-down one. You can do your dining credit as a sit-down, but one of the things we want to talk about here is the cheesecake. It is particularly good. It is a plain cheesecake, but it is topped with this strawberry sauce, comes with raspberry. It's a very classy, very traditional cheesecake, but it is delicious. Their milkshakes aren't too bad either. So check it out guys, 50's Primetime at Hollywood Studios for an amazing cheesecake. Last on the list is, of course, Magic Kingdom, where all kinds of sweet treats can be had. Of course, the confectionery on Main Street is amazing, but we are going to go to Adventureland, to Aloha Isle, for everyone's favorite Dole Whip. Now, one of the things we want to talk about is the Dole Whip twist. You can get Dole Whip swirled with vanilla ice cream. It is amazing, and both of those, Dole Whip and the twist, are on that dining plan for a snack credit. So make sure you get there. Make sure to use that mobile ordering. It will always be faster. And don't underestimate going to the Enchanted Tiki Room for a tropical serenade while enjoying that Dole Whip. Last on the list, also in Adventureland, is Skipper Canteen. It is a sit-down restaurant, but it has an amazing dessert menu, just like Yak Yeti at Animal Kingdom. So if you go there, take a look at the Kungaloosh dessert, that's right, as well as the Bonglan cake, which is a vanilla chiffon cake with mango lime sorbet, but the Kungaloosh is the feature here. Chocolate cake, caramelized bananas. It is extremely delicious. The chocolate cake is different because it is African style, but definitely these desserts are worth trying. So I hope you enjoyed these varying tips on desserts all around Walt Disney World property. Check out our other desserts and other tips all across our social media, and we'll see you on another TMR Tours.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh!